companies who strive for a competitive advantage can no longer just deliver products. Today's consumers are savvy and want more than product alone. They demand experiences which are more personalized and more rewarding. But how can you know where to begin or which experiences to create? Even if you have access already to a lot of information from inside and outside your company, how can you visually connect all the dots to see the full business picture? Business success depends on asking the right questions, finding powerful answers, and taking informed decisions quickly. To help business leaders understand the present, navigate the future, and create compelling consumer experiences, we introduce the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Available on-premise, online, in public or private cloud. Today, the navigational user experience of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is enhanced with the new If We Compass interface. Business leaders can now connect people, data, solutions, and ideas from within and outside the enterprise in a single visual and intuitive environment, creating a comprehensive business picture. And it all starts here. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform provides intuitive navigational access to all Dassault Systems apps, including social and collaborative apps, 3D modeling apps, content and simulation apps, and information intelligence apps. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform offers functionality directly out of the box. From the social and collaborative apps quadrant, you have the ability to create online, internal and external social communities. Through these communities, you can connect people from your business ecosystem, marketing, sales, designers, or external agencies and suppliers. Also, you can dramatically increase collaboration with version control of any media and with simple check-in, check-out capabilities. From the 3D modeling apps quadrant, 3D models can now be seen and shared by everyone in your organization, offering a stunning interactive model viewer to present ideas from the shop floor to the boardroom. And there's more. From the Information Intelligence quadrant, you have out-of-the-box capability to create dashboards. With one click, choose the widgets you want from our library and build your personal or business dashboard. You can even drill down to analyze specific data sets so you can make faster and more informed decisions. You can also search for information or media content from private networks, file systems, or the internet. And finally, with its unique tagging system, you can intuitively segment information and content, discover new data, ask the right questions, and take rapid action. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform makes sure you have the full picture all day and every day. With the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, business leaders worldwide now have the opportunity to discover an innovative way to connect the dots in their company. And we believe that Compass the Business may one day become a new phrase to define business excellence.